10 Impacts of AI on the Job Market. What you need to know. Today, we're diving into a topic that's got everyone talking: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's changing our world in ways we never imagined, and one place it's making a big splash is in the job market. Whether you're excited or nervous about AI, you need to know what's coming your way. Stick around as we break down 10 impacts of AI on jobs and what it means for your future. Watch till the end. Number 8 will surprise you. 1. AI is here to stay. Let's start with the basics. AI is not just some sci-fi concept anymore. It's already here, and it's not going anywhere. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and smart home devices, AI is part of our everyday lives. But what does this mean for jobs? Well, AI is shaking things up in a big way. Some jobs are disappearing, new ones are being created, and almost every industry is feeling the impact. Two, automation is changing the game. One of the biggest ways AI is affecting jobs is through automation. Machines and software powered by AI can now perform tasks that used to require human workers. For example, in manufacturing, robots can assemble products with incredible precision and speed. In customer service, AI chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7 without needing a coffee break. This shift is leading to some jobs becoming obsolete, especially in industries that rely heavily on routine tasks. But before you panic, it's important to understand that this isn't the end of the world. In fact, it opens up new opportunities for different kinds of work. 3. New jobs are emerging. While some jobs are disappearing, AI is also creating entirely new types of work. Think about it. Someone has to design, build, and maintain all these AI systems. That means more jobs for data scientists, AI engineers, and tech specialists. There's also a growing need for people who can understand and manage the ethical implications of AI, which brings us to another point. 4. The human touch is still irreplaceable. Despite all the amazing things AI can do, there's one thing it can't replicate: the human touch. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making are much harder to automate. Think about careers in the arts, healthcare, and education. While AI can assist in these fields, it's unlikely to fully replace the human element. In fact, AI can often enhance these jobs, allowing people to focus on the parts of their work that really matter. 5. Upskilling is the key to staying relevant. So, how do you stay ahead in an AI-driven world? The answer is simple: upskilling. As AI takes over routine tasks, there's a growing demand for workers who have advanced skills in technology, critical thinking, and problem-solving. Lifelong learning is more important than ever. By continuously updating your skills, you can stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Whether it's learning how to code, mastering digital marketing, or developing leadership skills, investing in yourself is the best way to future-proof your career. 6. The gig economy is growing. AI is also playing a role in the rise of the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and Airbnb rely heavily on AI to connect users with services. This has created new opportunities for people to work as freelancers, offering their skills on a flexible basis. While the gig economy isn't without its challenges, like job security and benefits, it does provide a new way for people to work that wasn't possible before. Seven, AI is changing how we work. Beyond just creating and replacing jobs, AI is changing the way we work. With tools like AI-powered project management software and virtual assistants, we can now work smarter, not harder. These technologies help us stay organized, make better decisions, and collaborate more effectively. The result? More productivity and potentially a better work-life balance. 8. Ethical considerations are crucial. As AI continues to grow, so do the ethical questions surrounding it. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure AI is used fairly and doesn't discriminate against certain groups of people? These are just a few of the tough questions we need to answer as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. This also means there's a growing need for professionals who can navigate these ethical dilemmas. So, if you're interested in the intersection of technology and ethics, there's a good chance that the future job market will have a place for you. 9. AI can help solve global challenges. It's not all doom and gloom. AI also has the potential to help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. From predicting natural disasters to developing new medicines and tackling climate change, AI can be a powerful tool for good. This means there will be new job opportunities in fields that use AI to address these global issues. The future is what we make it. Finally, it's important to remember that the future of AI and the job market isn't set in stone. It's something we're all shaping together. By being proactive, staying informed, and adapting to new changes, we can ensure that AI becomes a force for good in the job market. It's up to us to make sure that the benefits of AI are shared widely and that no one gets left behind. And there you have it, the impact of AI on the job market and what you need to know. While AI is definitely changing the way we work, it's also opening up new opportunities and possibilities. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can navigate this new landscape with confidence. In conclusion, while AI is a powerful force that's transforming the job market, it's not something to fear, but to embrace. By understanding these changes and preparing for them, you can turn the challenges of AI into opportunities for growth and success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think AI will impact your job or industry?